Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see the solution for the fourth subdivision in question 3 from exercise 5.2. The question is, if x power 16 y power 9 is equal to x square plus y the whole power 17, prove that dy by dx is equal to 2y by x. So first let's take logarithm on both sides. So before that I'm going to write out the expression once again. So x power 16 y power 9 is equal to x square plus y the whole power 17. For this expression I'm taking log on both sides. So taking log, so this will become log of x power 16 y power 9 is equal to log of x square plus y the whole power 17. So let's do some logarithmic property modifications. So log AB is going to be log A plus log B in terms of logarithm. So I'm breaking the LHS as log of x power 16 plus log of y power 9. On the right side, by now we should know this is equal to 17 into log of x square plus y. Again, I'm going to break this part. Log a power m is m log a. So this is 16 log x. It is 16 log x plus 9 log y is equal to 17 times log of x squared plus y. So now that we have made all the logarithmic properties and simplified this particular expression, let's start the differentiation. So differentiating with respect to x. So the first term will become 16 by x. The second term will become 9 by y dy by dx, because 9 into differentiation of log y is 1 by y, and then the dy by dx is equal to 17 log differentiation is by. So it is 17 by x square plus y into dy by dx of this particular expression. So differentiation of x square is 2x, and here differentiation of y is dy by dx. Now let's multiply each of these terms on the right side, so that we are going to do the grouping. So it is 16 by x plus 9 by y dy by dx. On the right side it is going to be 34x by x square plus 1 plus 17 by x square plus y dy by dx. Now I'm going to bring all the dy by dx to the left side. So it is 9 by y dy by dx minus of 17 by x square plus y dy by dx is equal to 34x by x square plus y minus 16 by x. Only the reorganization of bringing all the dy by dx terms to the left side and all the other non-dy by dx terms on the right side. Now that that grouping is done, let's actually take the common terms in the dy by dx as a common factor and simplify the LHS and do the same thing for the RHS. So I'm taking dy by dx outside. So this becomes 9 by y minus 17 by x square plus y. On the right side is 34x by x square plus y minus 16 by x. Now I'm going to do LCM on both the left and the right sides for the fractions. So the left side is dy by dx. Here it is going to be 9 into x square plus y minus 17y. The whole thing denominator is y into x square plus y. On the right side it is going to be 34x squared minus 16 into x square plus y. The whole thing x into x square plus y. Only the LCM part is done on both the sides. Let me erase this side to get some space. So now let's continue. So that now that we have done, the next step is to keep the dy by dx and take it to the other side. This expression seems very bigger. So I'm going to just strike out this part of x square plus y and x square plus y. Either way, when I take it there, it is going to remain outside. So now let's keep this dy by dx. I'm going to simplify the numerator. So it is 9x square plus 9y minus 17y by y. On this side it is 34x squared minus 16x squared minus 16y, the whole thing divided by x. So let's keep this dy by dx. So dy by dx into, this is going to be 9x squared minus 8y divided by y. On the right side, it is going to be 18x² minus 16y divided by x. So the next step is to take it the other side. So dy by dx is equal to 18x² minus 16y by x, and this time the y goes on the top, divided by 9x² minus 8y. So here I'm going to take 2 as common terms. So this will become 9x² minus 8y. The denominator x remains as such. Here is the y, and here again 9x² minus 8y. Now I can cancel this 9x² minus 8y from the numerator and the denominator. So dy by dx reduces to 2y by x, and that is what we are asked to prove. So hence proved. In the next video, we will see the solution for the next question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.